Guys and girls, we've just pulled up further down the beach, heading back towards Rainbow. Just got a few of these little washouts where the fresh water's making its way out from the hills.
Yes, please.
And decided to show the kids how to make a freshwater bath. What do you reckon?
Pool.
Freshwater pool, sorry. How is it?
Cannonball.
Peyton loves it. Jack? He won't tell you, but he's loving it. Building away. So, lighthouse on the other side of that hill over there. Nice little bay where currently a number of yachts are pulled up. We're just at the base of the Rainbow Cliffs, making our way back down there towards Rainbow. Clouds have come in a bit. There was the possibility of rain today, so see what happens, but it's still nice and warm. I'm just gonna hang out here and let the kids play for a bit.